What Veuve Clicquot means to me is a refreshing drink that I love to enjoy. It says summertime to me, starting with the BC Polo Classic, which I feel like is always a great kick off the summer and then great summer events. Cheers, Veuve Clicquot.
Veuve Clicquot, of course. I love the champagne. I always have. It's very yummy. And whenever there's a truck full of, champagne, I think is a good time for sure. And it's just like, the whole like delivery theme and these little like mailboxes are so cute. It's a great color too. I love orange. Cheers, Veuve Clicquot.
Side.